How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070057. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Windows Update error 0x80070057. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to open up your notepad. So open up your notepad and you'll actually need to create a bat file. A bat file is an executable file which you can execute. So here we will paste a code. Now the code I will be provided down below on the description. So simply paste this code. After you paste the code, you will need to save this file. Now you can save it by pressing Ctrl S, and after you type in Ctrl S, you can paste it wherever you want. I'll just paste this in my desktop. So let's do that here. So let's add it to the desktop. And now you'll need to name it. So you can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it wufix.bat. Do not forget to give it .bat right here. Then tap on save. After you save this, your bat file will get created right here. Now all you have to do is right click on this and then run it as administrator. After that, your PowerShell or your terminal will just open and a bunch of code will start running. And after which you might have to restart your device. And after you restart your device, your problem will get fixed. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.